this is TheDuttyBerry and it is the final 2018 UK X Factor performance show. So boy, oh boy, so you know, so the anticipation is our high.
Kill 'em with the heads high.
So you don't know, so the three finalists in the competition are Anthony, Dalton and Scarlett. And if you don't know, the only person who actually want to win the competition is Dalton Harris, because he come from Jamaica, and in all truth and honesty, he is actually the best vocalist, the best singer in the competition. So the song that Dalton chose to sing was called A Song For You. Me not think me really ever hear the song yet, but it sounds familiar.
I've acted out my life in stages.
And yeah, check it out.
I love you for my life, yeah. You're a friend of mine.
You're more than wonderful.
And once again, Dalton gave an epic, a stellar performance. At this point in time, I think awesomeness is just for him level of consistency. I just start to get when him perform on stage, okay? And then just listen to the audience. Can you imagine being an artist and you actually hear people just react to your performance, like people who don't know you from nowhere? Them not have no reason for necessarily support you but your talent. And them just just week after week I cheer you on like one bag of nice and pure excitement after you don't sing. Me can't imagine what that would feel like.
2,000 years later.
Me don't know how I react like. You can't imagine me go up on a stage and say box cover and people just start to react like this.
Box cover.
Big turtleneck. So yes, man, Dalton got a standing ovation from all 4 judges. And right there and then, when I see that, I say, no man, the boy him definitely have an instant shot of actually taking home the X Factor 2018 crown. Then you hear the judges, I give him all of them compliments here, bag of superlatives, all of them piece of excitement here.
You have been a force in this competition since day one.
I'm baffled why you're on this competition and you haven't got 6 albums underneath your belt.
Meanwhile, we in Jamaica, busy trying for the Dr. Phil and Oprah interview with him mother so we can get some extra clicks and likes. Then he did a song with Emily Sande. You know the girl who sing like Next to Me, the same girl where when Tessan was hard in the voice, she didn't sing it in the battle round against Donna.
Next to me.
I know Dalton, you know, actually do a duet with the great Emily Sande.
Let all the girls go.
But anyway, personally, I kind of hope so because he did sing Listen. Me did hope so Beyonce would actually kind of free and available enough to go perform the song with Dalton, because like how she did do it with the girl here couple years ago, because that would have shell.
I'm more than what you made of me. From the voice that you got to me.
So you know him start off the performance in a lower register.
You tell all the boys no. Makes you feel good.
Because people only probably not really used to it. Because with the kind of company that there's maybe the way how he is able to kind of hit the high notes are because the tighter the pants and the better the notes them can really get the send up there so. And then the song starts, you know, him welcome her up on the stage and then them share this little lovely moment together.
I just wanna know.
I guess right after I watch that, I say, yeah man, me confirm because this I show your versatility. You know always have to scream and a shout and go in your Mariah Carey type of range and your Whitney Houston range and your John Legend and your Luther Vandross and all of them big singers, I don't know, Usher can sing them notes, I don't know. But in them type of range, but him a show one like a different, like a gravel type of thing to him voice. So the performance was nice and thing, but after watching that, it confirmed in my head say, yeah, Dalton is definitely a solo act. So right after that performance, the host, you know, making it interact with some of them Jamaican family and friends and support system that were in the audience, and boy, this is what you call a real tearjerker moment.
More than a little slice of Jamaica has come to Wembley tonight, I got a feeling.
So they brought out one of his childhood friends.
I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you.
His mentor.
How are you feeling? And you must be so proud of Dalton.
Dalton has been having this dream.
And then some old choir mates, and them do a nice little jingle.
Dalton, we're so proud of you, supporting you. You will win the X Factor.
You know, it's just so sad, you know, like, you know, just to have all this support from the crowd, and then you have like your Jamaican friends and family in the audience to cheer you on. I mean, who could ask for more? So anyhow, it was final show time. So them start off the show by singing one of my favorite songs, like the baddest, the most gangster type of song on the streets right now. So then you have Anthony perform on the stage.
Kids in the distance, there's a house upon the hill.
Better than that you can do. Better than that.
Then you have Scarlett. And I like to see why I never want to give because she kinda can't sing, but me like her still know she's talented enough, but so what she have gone so far? No one a joke here, she really good enough, but you know kinda know the shreps. And Dalton who win. Then it was our time to Dalton to perform on the stage and save the best for last. Like honestly, all of the people them who, the judges, the people them who get invited on as guest performers, what the girl name, Ellie Goulding, and the Rasta brother, I can't forget his name, but the general, the boss, the legend there. Him, you know, in favor, both of them were in favor of Dalton Harris actually taking home the crown because once again, who else has been that consistent in any talent competition? Think. Well, yeah, there was Tess and Chin, but come on, man. Who else over there, especially on the UK X Factor? So yes, you know, so the final show, the final result show, and then this is Dalton's final performance on the X Factor UK, 2018 edition. So I'm gonna decide to sing one song, but now which song this? But anyway, I'm gonna say, some little red light in excitement. I go on and I say, Bass cover, I want one.
Love is the light, scaring darkness away. I'm so in love.
Me don't know the song, I never hear it, but it sounds cool.
Power of love, a force from above, cleaning my soul.
Since same time now, I see this big heart kind of pop up, look like one of them, like when them little Pokeball or one of them little Karachi type of show there, and something that go through one force field.
Flame on burn desire, love with tongues of fire.
Alright, it kind of look like, home a picture like one 3D screensaver. You know, we used to have like an old Windows computer, you have some little old screensaver background. This look like the 2018 3D version. Yeah, I never get the update there at all. Him and the youth, James, Michael, whatever him one name, them sing the song and it was an awesome duet, like the best part of the song and like the last part. When Dalton started, I only wish that it might be actually louder. Because Dalton hit some high falsetto, Mariah Carey, the Usher falsetto type of thing that like go way up. Like Air Jamaica, soaring to new heights. That, people, was a box cover-rific performance. Shell. At one point when Dalton done perform, one of the hosts them got show shade. And said Dalton finally look up after one performance. Him not do the shelly and face the arm down for my knees. Prior kneel again.
That are watching, thank you so much.
It's taken half a year, but we finally see you looking up. We finally see those eyes. Louis and the too many boys, Anthony and Dalton, Simon and his final girl, Scarlett.
Let us watch the results show live when you can get my feedback because I actually did record it. I was actually recording the video while I watched the live show.
The votes have been cast. I can now reveal the result. Good luck. I can now reveal that finishing in third place.
Okay, Anthony, alright. So yeah, that good because him and Dalton on the same boys team with Louis as the overseer. So then it was hard now, time for them to go announce the winner of the X Factor UK 2018.
And then there were two. From thousands and thousands who auditioned in.
I said, Jesus and people, Lord, make a way because you see and know. You hard did it for Tessan. You hard did it. You made that way for Tessan when she was in The Voice about 5 years ago. And I know and I believe that you will do the same for Dalton Harris in 2018 because you are king. And then let's go to the live action of how DuttyBerry reacted when everything was unfolding. Whoa! Jesus Christ, ready? Ready. Yeah man, ready. Hold on, ready. Alright. Hold on, ready. Hurry up, man, hurry up. Hurry up. Shit, ready. Come on. Yes!
Dalton! Yes! Bomba! Yo! Jesus Christ! Oh!
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Jesus Christ! Jesus! Yo, thank you, Father. Wow, thank you, Jesus Christ! Oi, go ahead and Shelly and Fraser pose you. Shelly and Fraser. Baba drop. Oi, Jesus Christ! Wow. Well, that is it, people. That is it. Dalton is the winner of the X Factor 2018 UK edition. Jeez and Pim, I am just so happy. I'm so elated. I am, boy, oh boy. I feel proud. Like, you know, me never did want to do another review because when I said Jeez and Pim, it took a lot out of me, and sometimes you just don't know if you're really that creative enough to come up with content week after week. I'm just so able for once again another talented Jamaican is able to inspire me by pursuing freedom passion. Because literally I did a little loop on YouTube, and you know, Dalton doing things just like what Tessan did, and it re-energized me. And so it's so good when you do something good for somebody, but them also, you know, them also inspire and put back, you know, life into your own existence. Boy, people, thank you so much for watching these videos. I am lost words, but actually I watch the show right now and I record. I hope someone put up this video pretty soon. Congratulations, Dalton Harris. Like, how did Dalton actually win the X Factor 2018? He won it by being humble. He won it by being Jamaican. He won it by being himself. He won it by just being able to emote through his songs. He won it by being talented. He won it by being able to just like ignore the noise that was going on around him and focus his eyes on the prize. That is exactly how he won it. I feel like I'm even too. Like, I honestly feel like I'm even like right about now. Like any of them have one competition called the YouTube. Me I got entitled and represent Jamaica. And then review myself, you know, through the weeks. Jesus, people like, yo, this is crazy. But honestly, just happy for the brother. I'm happy for the brother. I'm proud of myself too. Like, I'm proud of myself too. Like, you know how cool this been? I reviewed 2 people, and the 2 people them actually win it, and the 2 people them Jamaican. Big up yourself, Tessan. Big up yourself. Dalton Harris, this is just like an incredible way for like start. And the both of the competitions them like ended in Christmas, like during the Christmas holiday, so it's like a great way. I have no doubt that Dalton will go on to be a worldwide talent, because UK people them actually support talent and actually support vocalists. So I just hope say him stay there, put out him album and just focus on that market. Boy oh boy. But anyway, that is it, people. I hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure say give me a thumbs up. Make sure say you go and leave a comment below and let me know what was your favorite Dalton X Factor moment. Also to subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you discovered my channel because of these Dalton reviews, I hope that you stick around and free some of my social media countdown talent. It's been such an awesome journey for just have the support and have the Team Jamaica vibe going once more. Okay, make sure say you just leave a comment and share your favorite moment, people. I'm actually tired of my journey right now, but I'm going to leave you with some highlights of, you know, the Dalton review moments, and hopefully you enjoy. Check it out.
And the winner of this year's Digital Rising Stars competition is Dalton Harris!
What is your name?
My name is Dalton Harris.
And where are you from?
I flew here from Jamaica.
You just won the X Factor.
I just won the X Factor.